Hello everyone, welcome to iHacks. Have you ever dreamed of creating captivating videos without needing a camera, a crew, or even showing your face? What if you could produce beautiful journal entries, engaging bilingual stories, or educational content just by speaking or typing a few words? That dream is now a reality. Welcome to Mootion.com, a platform that turns your ideas into powerful visuals with incredible ease. Whether you're a teacher, a creator, a marketer, or simply love storytelling, Mootion might just become your new creative playground. Let's dive into the world of Mootion and discover everything it has to offer. So what can you actually do with Mootion? The platform packs a creative punch with tools designed to simplify content creation. From faceless short videos and bilingual stories to journals, dialogues, and photo collages, there's something here for everyone. Let's start by checking out the templates. It's as easy as scrolling through and choosing what fits your needs best. Journal creation. You've got three options here. Generate from prompt, use my content, use my recording. Let's talk about use my recording. This lets you upload your voice and turn it into a video. You can even transform a video sample into a visual journal by uploading it directly.
Imagine having a digital version of yourself that looks like you, talks like you, and mimics your expressions.
After uploading, select your preferred aspect ratio, landscape 16:9, portrait 9:16, or square 1:1, depending on where you plan to post. Then choose from a wide selection of virtual styles like photorealistic, retro comics, 3D cartoon, picture book, clay art, anime, and many more. Hit transcribe and the magic begins. The platform will convert your voice into text, which you can then fine-tune in the script editor, change the narration language, edit parts of the script, or delete unwanted lines. When ready, click Generate. Mootion will break down your script into video scenes, matching visuals and dialogues. You can edit, regenerate, or swap out any scenes. Once satisfied, move forward by clicking Next, finishing touches that matter. At this stage, you'll customize your final video with titles, subtitles, thumbnails, transitions, and visual effects. Add AI-generated background music that fits your tone, calm, upbeat, dramatic, or happy. And preview tracks before selecting one. Once you're happy with everything, hit composite and Mootion will render your video in seconds.
Imagine having a digital version of yourself that looks like you, talks like you, and mimics your expressions perfectly, all created in just a few minutes.
Finally, click Download to save your masterpiece. Generate from prompt, type an idea, get a video. Ever wondered if you could create a whole video from just a sentence or two? With Mootion's Generate from Prompt, you can. Simply enter your idea into the prompt box, then choose your language, set the tone, children's neutral, business, academic, and even select an AI avatar to narrate. Pick your desired aspect ratio and style, clay art, painting, photorealistic, etc., and click Generate. Mootion creates a script and visual storyboard instantly. Customize the video in the final steps. Edit your title, add subtitles, set a thumbnail, and apply transition.
Hi there, if I'm not back in 5 minutes, just wait longer.
The only true wisdom is in knowing you know nothing. Life is like a box of chocolate. You never.
Hi there, if I'm not back in 5 minutes, just wait longer.
When you're satisfied, click Composite to generate your finished video.
Once upon a time, in a land far away where the sky was painted in hues of orange and the grass was a soft shade of green, dinosaurs roamed freely and lived amidst tall volcanoes and sparkling streams.
Use my content, full control with your script. Got a script ready to go? Choose Use my content. Paste your detailed script, then set preferences like language, aspect ratio, and visual style. Click Generate and you'll be shown a complete storyboard. Edit the dialogues, delete or add new lines, and tweak it however you like. Once you've perfected it, hit next to move into the customization phase. Titles, subtitles, thumbnails, transitions, voiceovers, the works. Hit composite and your video is ready to roll.
In a quiet town, Mira stumbled into the ticking hour, a strange clock shop run by the enigmatic Mr. Thorne. He revealed a hidden time machine, the chronocore, and sent her decades into the past to save her young grandfather from drowning.
And just like that, you've created a complete professional-looking video in minutes. Mootion.com offers a refreshing way to turn your ideas into visual stories without the usual complications of video editing. No fancy gear, no complicated tools, just creativity and a few clicks. If this walkthrough gave you a glimpse of what's possible, don't keep it to yourself. Drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and tap that bell icon so you never miss out on future guides and tools. Thanks for joining me on this creative journey. Go ahead, give Mootion a try and let your ideas come alive. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.